Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Solving this economics problem is super fast when you know the trick. Let's calculate the price elasticity of demand to find the right answer quickly. First, we calculate the price elasticity of demand by dividing the 10% change in quantity by the 5% change in price. This gives us a value of exactly 2. Since our calculated elasticity is greater than 1, we know the demand for Toby's train sets is elastic. This means consumers are very sensitive to any changes in the current price. In the elastic range of the demand curve, increasing price leads to a drop in total revenue. Option B is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust Bivin data and check your steps carefully.